Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Welcome to Notary Educators with Kimmi. I'm your girl Kimmi. What's up? What's up? Number one notary educator. What's up nationwide? We help notaries nationwide in all 50 states. Know your notarial duties. Know how to notarize like a pro. How to achieve success in your notary business. Welcome to those who will listen to the podcast and also to those who will watch the replay. I was thinking for tonight's live, what I'm going to do is take your comments in real time while I wait for you to loosen up, because it usually takes a second. Hey Melissa, what's up? How are ya? How's it going? While it takes you guys a few minutes to loosen up, sometimes I'm going to answer the comments in my actual YouTube videos, okay? So a lot of times I'll try to answer these questions, and even when I go back to answer, a lot of times in the chat, answer these YouTube questions. I've not watched that video or remember what I said in the video, so I'm going to do my best tonight to try to answer some of these questions right quick. So let's just hop right into it. Melissa, what's up with you? What's going on in your notary business? You need any help with anything? You talking about anything? Any questions? Let's do it, people. We got quite a few people here. Welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. What's up? What's up? So again, I'm just hanging out for a little bit. I was going to answer some of these questions in this in my YouTube comments, and again, until I wait for your questions here live, of course, I'm here to help you first, but I was going to answer some of these to break the ice. Sam Ace, hey, South Carolina's in the house. I come there quite often to a place called Woodruff. Not sure if you've heard of it or not. Outside of Greenville. Yeah, I got some friends that retired there. So let's see. The first one, Willie Pinnell was saying 1 to something on the initial disclosures video. I don't know what she was saying. 1, 2. I think my question was, do you know what it is? So that means she must know. Again, I did that one kind of recent, so I kind of remember what I was talking about. The next one would be Danielle Suzette 444. She says, I usually miss the lives because she's at work. For her son's medical appointment, she was referring to the how to do a will signing. That was actually a podcast. A lot of times you always say, Kimmi, I can't see you. I can't see you. It's a podcast. It's just like if you were listening to iHeartRadio or any other podcast. So sometimes on a podcast, these particular kind, you won't see me. It's audio only. But they do very well here on the channel because some people haven't seen the actual video. So that's why you cannot see me. So if you're catching this, that's what happens with the podcast. You cannot see me, okay? This is live, so you can see me. I'm here and everything, okay? Lori W's in the house. Hey, Lori, what's going on with you? Regina, welcome. Good evening, good evening. So our next one we have is Danielle Suzette was saying, you heard Kimmi say, let's do this thing. That was on the will signing podcast. And again, I'm saying that for all this year, all next year, permanently now, because I got you covered with your training or your mentorship. So no more excuses. Let's do this thing. If you're new to notary, really quick, what is a notary? A notary is a person that watches people sign documents. We try to be professional. We are ethical. That's why we're hired to do so many different types of loan signings and different types of documents, power of attorneys, wills, school notes, travel consent, You name it, people ask us to do it. Ink fingerprinting, complete the I-9 form, which is an immigration verification form. Um, it's so many things, so many things. So I put a, hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Out a post about a new t-shirt my friend made for me. Sweet Intentions is his IG. Sweet Intentions. Ooh, Sweet Intentions Shop, I think it is. His symbol or logo is pandas. So DJS was saying that she loves the new shirt. I got a few of them. Lori, thank you for your shout out on the video about the short that I did. I'm trying to do more shorts and incorporate music and fun stuff. People love those kind of videos. They love them. They come for the information, the education, but they just want to see you sometimes just cut loose. And I'm all about that life too. I don't mind. I'm gonna always be professional, because whatever you put out on the web stays there forever. So it was funny, Jeffrey and I were filming something the other day, and I wanted to do like a kiss at the end. It was just a natural thing. Oh, you was up dancing, Lori? Yeah, it was some good music, right? I enjoyed it too, and it's eye-catching. So it's so funny. That video actually has, let me see right quick. That video has 268 views on it. It was a short, 9-second short. 268. That is crazy. But people love, again, those kind of videos. And I'm on YouTube. I don't know that I would recommend that for your regular notary business. You can still do some fun stuff with your regular notary business when it comes to social media and content creation. But make sure you stay professional, because what I can do on YouTube and what I can do on TikTok for that audience may be a little bit different than someone that wants me to come out and sign on their loan modification, or they're purchasing a property for $200,000-$300,000 or $1 million, you know, property. That may look a little different. So on TikTok, I might could be like, hey, point, click, and all that. But when I'm actually on my regular stuff, my regular business channel, I don't typically do all that, okay? So that's just a word of caution. So what you see on this channel and on my social media pages, I do advertise, of course. So I have had clients find me, like doing a apostille for my apostille videos here on YouTube. I've had people find me to complete their will signing for my will videos here on YouTube. So they do find me here. So again, I'm always even cautious of what I talk about. If I tell you a story, I usually sometimes will try to change it from a he to a she, maybe from a they, or I might change the location. If it happened at a hospital, I might say it happened at a school. Sometimes, depending on the depth of the story, because I would never want a client to come here and say, oh, she talking about me, you know. So there are true stories, but sometimes I have to change the narrative a little bit. Just like you watch a Lifetime movie, and it may say it's a true story or whatever, but they had the author whatever. So that happens here in YouTube world too. At least it does for me, because I ain't trying to get sued, and I want to keep my good reputation. What questions do you all have tonight? Let's see what else we got. So Lori also made another comment. She says, love this. The music is on point, and it is the best notary mentor program around. Thank you, Lori. Lori is a part of mentorship. She's knocking it out the box. Our mentor program, for those of you who may be new to the channel or new to Kimmi and Notary Educators, it consists of all of our training courses, again, where we teach you how to properly notarize, help you overcome that fear of documents, fear of the unknown.